Good afternoon, YouTube. Well, I'm going to use my digital ultrasonic cleaner for the first time. I have some small carburetors. There's one right here. This is, whoops, get off of there. My magnetic tip there. This is off of this auger here. Okay, I took the carburetor off here. It just wouldn't feed fuel when you push the bulb. The bulb here wouldn't bring fuel through the carburetor. So I'm thinking the jets are really tiny, and you can see there's dirt and stuff inside the carburetor. So I'm going to put it inside the ultrasonic cleaner. So from reading the instructions, first we have to do is we fill it up with water. And what I'm going to do from reading on some of the forums, I'm going to take a quart-sized bag, put the carburetor in there, and I'm going to use some parts cleaner and fill the bag up with the parts cleaner, and then place that bag inside the water, inside the chamber in here. All right? So this is my first time using this, so we're going to learn together. So I'm going to put the water in. I'm going to put the parts cleaner fluid in the bag, and then I'm going to put the carburetor in the bag, and then I'll come back. Okay, so we have water in here, as you can see. And then I have the bag in there with the parts cleaner fluid. It's submerged in the water. It's below the water line. And I'm setting it to 480, which is the highest setting. And I'm gonna start it, and we'll see what happens. Okay, like I said, this is my first time using it. I hope it cleans it out good. Okay, I'll come back with the results. Example, it's running. You can hardly hear it, but it's running. It's counting down. There it is, you can see it vibrating in there. So we'll see what happens with the parts if they come out nice and clean. All right, I'll check back when it's all done, like machines. Okay, YouTube, so I put the carburetor through 3 cycles of 480 seconds each. So that's 24 minutes total. And this is what we're looking like. I'm gonna take it out of there, but it looks clean. You can see a lot of shit went into the fluid. There's stuff leaking out all over the place. So I'm gonna take them out right now and then show you what we have before I reassemble. So here are the parts, and you can see, I mean, they look brand new now. They look brand spanking new. That's one. Two. And then throttle body. 3. So I'm going to assemble it and see what happens. So that's it. I'm going to also put, I have a weed whacker that needs the carburetor clean. I'm going to put that through also. And you can reuse, this fluid is still good. You don't have to dump it out. I'm going to reuse the fluid and do 3 cycles on that other carburetor and see what happens. But I'm putting this one together, and then I'm going to see exactly what it looks like when it starts, or if it starts. All right, I'll be right back. You can see this is the way the stuff looked before, all dirty. This is the way the carburetor looks now. Fuel lines are hooked back up. I primed the bulb. And let me get in there. And it primed no problem. So here we go. I'm going to, okay, we're on cold start. We are on, and here goes. There we go, it's running. So that was my first use of the ultrasonic cleaner, and it worked great. I didn't have to pull the carburetor apart. I didn't have to run any probes through the through the jets or anything. I just put it in there and let the thing work its magic. All right, any questions, leave it in the comments. Mike Machines out.